Good afternoon, all participants. On behalf of Indian Railway Institute of Finance Management, Secunderabad, I extend warm welcome to each one of you for today's webinar on Bank Reconciliation Statement. And to take up this session, we have Shri Vijay Kumar, Faculty IRIFM. Welcome, sir. And it's over to you.
Thank you, Bennett. Good afternoon to all of you. So today's session is on BRS. This is another very important chapter as such. Good afternoon. Okay. I'll straight away start the class. Good afternoon once again to all of you all. Bank reconciliation statement is a statement which is prepared normally at the end of each financial year. At the end when you are preparing your, good afternoon, Shailendra Kumar. Good afternoon, Shailendra. Good afternoon, everyone. So welcome to all of you. Anything is there, you can chat with me. Okay, good. So I want you to know what is the main objective. Normally, a bank reconciliation statement, you think we have to reconcile between the cash book and the passbook. Before that, I want to tell you one more important point is we prepare bank reconciliation statement to show in the balance sheet when you prepare your financial statements at the end of each financial year. हम तभी financial year end में balance sheet तभी करते cash at bank दिखाना पड़ता on the asset side. Cash at bank should be a reconciled figure. जो भी बैंक में है वो as on that date वो balance दिखना है. That means that is a correct figure. Normally क्या होता है वो figure और अपना cash book का figure correct नहीं होता. क्यों बोलते there are so many reasons. Okay. हमें in simple language आपको बताना चाहिए. I mean I want to tell you is cash book is with the businessman. Cash book हम businessman के पास होगा. Passbook is with the banker. Actually हमारे पास जो passbook होता है, it is not a passbook. Actually, it is a copy of the passbook. जो बैंक का होता है, वही copy अपने पास रहेगा. But actually, cash book is with the first difference. You should not different. Sorry, this is the first thing which you should do it. Cash book हमारे पास रहता, businessman के पास, और passbook बैंक के पास रहेगा. This is the first one. Theoretically बोले तो you can understand this. A bank reconciliation is a process that explains the difference between the bank balance shown in an organization, means in the business bank statement, as supplied by the bank, and the corresponding amount shown in the organization's own accounting records. Means हमारे balance as per cash book कितना है, balance as per passbook कितना है, वो दोनों को reconcile करता. ये दोनों का normally एक नहीं होगा. Such differences may occur, for example, have not been presented. So there will be a difference. So that's for you. देखो इसमें क्या था? Checks issued but not presented. One of the public को या तो customers को उन लोग जाके बैंक से पैसा नहीं लेते. So when we issue the checks, our cash book will show always less. ये important है. आपको clarity आ जाना चाहिए. When you issue the checks, cash book balance will be showing less and the passbook will be showing more. Okay. And checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank. Checks deposited मतलब क्या है? We get some checks from the customers. हमारे customers हमको check देंगे, हम cash book में enter करके deposit करेंगे बैंक. When we deposited, those checks will not be immediately collected by the bank. क्यों मतलब time लगेगा. Those what all checks हम deposit करते बैंक में, बैंक को सब checks वो बैंक को भी जाएंगे. Suppose we have issued deposited 3-4 checks of State Bank of India, then ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Canara Bank, जो भी है, वो बैंक को भिजा के उधर से क्लियर करने के बाद हमारे अकाउंट में डालेंगे. उसके लिए थोड़ा काफी टाइम लगेगा. तो क्या होता तभी कैश बुक में ज्यादा हो जाएगा एंड पासबुक में इट विल बी शोइंग लेस बैलेंस बिकॉज इट इज नॉट येट कलेक्टेड. ऐसा होगा. एनीवन हैविंग डाउट पूछ लेना. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू क्लियरली. फिर से इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स या तो डिविडेंड्स द बैंक हैज कलेक्टेड वो पासबुक में एंट्री होगा तो पासबुक बढ़ेगा. पासबुक विल शो मोर बट नॉट एंटर्ड इन द कैश बुक एंड द कैश बुक विल बी शोइंग लेस. इसी तरह बैंक चार्जेस भी होंगे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ओडी होगा, इंश्योरेंस पे हमारे बैंक बैलेंस घटेगा द पासबुक विल बी शोइंग लेस and the cash book will be showing more. So this is another one reason. And there is one more reason also. Amount directly deposited by the customers of the trader in his bank account. हम क्या करते हैं? Checks हमारे customers directly deposit करके हमारे को जो देने का है instead of giving to us उन लोग directly passbook में बैंक में deposit कर देते हो. Passbook will be showing more and cash book will be showing less. So this is another reason where the difference between cash book and passbook. Normally ऐसा होता है. Customers directly deposit करेंगे तो passbook बढ़ेगा. Cash book will be less compared to checks deposited but not entered in the cash. इसका मतलब क्या है? हम checks जो public दिया, जो customers हमें देते हैं, हम cash book में enter करके checks deposited but not entered in the cash. हम एंटर करना चाहिए कैश बुक में, हम डिपॉजिट कर दिए बैंक में बट कैश बुक में एंट्री नहीं हुआ, ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम होगा. और एक क्या होगा, चेक्स डिपॉजिटेड डेबिटेड इन द कैश बुक बट ओमिटेड टू बी सेंड टू बैंक. हम इधर एंट्री करें बट बैंक को भी जाना भूल गए, तो तभी भी कैश बुक और पासबुक डिफरेंस होगा. सो दिस आर द बेसिक रीजंस फॉर द कैश बुक एंड द पासबुक नॉट टू एग्री. देयर आर डिफरेंसेस ड्यू टू दिस रीजंस. आई होप सबको समझ में आया ये. एनीवन हैविंग डाउट प्लीज बता देना, चैट करके बोल देना. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट क्लियरली. ओके, तभी हम अगर अभी प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करेंगे. When we start the problem, I want you to understand this. First step क्या करना है आपको, बैलेंस गिवन एज पर विच बुक, एज पर विच बुक आपको चेकअप करना है. इन्फॉर्म पासबुक में BRS कैसा रहेगा, if they give you cash book balance, you have to arrive as per if cash book balance is given, if cash book balance is given, you have to arrive as per, you have to calculate balance as per passbook. ऐसा होगा, ये समझा. If cash book is balance is given, you have to arrive as per what? Passbook. If they give you passbook, you have to arrive as per cash book. This is the first one. Okay, book is given, you have to arrive as per cash book. ये है शुरू. So इसमें क्या करना, फर्स्ट which book they have given, balance as per cash book दिए या तो balance as per passbook दिए, चेकअप करना. That is the first point. उसके बाद second step क्या करना, if given book cash book is showing less, we have to add it. If the cash book is showing more, we have to less it. बस एक याद रखना. Any questions please? किसी को डाउट है? If balance, this is a very important. Whenever you start the chapter, problem of BRS is given or passbook balance is given. If they give you cash book balance, we have to arrive balance as per passbook. If they give passbook balance, we have to arrive as per cash book. This is a प्रॉब्लम. वो होने के बाद आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या देखना है, बैलेंस गिवन एज पर विच बुक. आपको बैलेंस विच बुक से गिवन, दे हैव गिवन यू बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक और पासबुक. इफ दे गिव यू कैश बुक, we have to check up. If given book is showing, the cash book they have given, the cash book is showing less or more. Less or more बोल तो क्या है, I will explain you more clearly. इधर तक समझ में आया. अभी देख 31 दिसंबर 18 बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक दिया हुआ है, बैलेंस एज गिवन एज पर पासबुक. चेक्स इशूड बट नॉट प्रेजेंटेड. how much? Checks issued but not presented. मतलब क्या है, we have issued. When we issue अपना cash book दे दिए, but that person has not gone to bank and taken. तो passbook वैसी रहेगा. So when you compare the cash book and the passbook, cash book is showing less balance and passbook is showing more. So you are going from which book? I told you the given book. You are going balance. तो हम क्या करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम में ऐसा लिखेंगे, balance as per passbook, inner column on 31st December, first step. उसके बाद balance as per passbook, ये इनर कॉलम आउटर कॉलम में लिख देंगे. उसके बाद ऐड एंड लेस. तो क्या हुआ इधर, when we issue the checks, cash book is showing less and passbook is showing more because the given book is showing more. I told you, if the given book is showing more, we have to less it. If the given book is showing less, we have to add it because it is cash book is showing more. Checks issued but not presented 2000. ऐसा करें. Anyone having doubt please? डाउट है तो चैट करो, चैट में आई विल एक्सप्लेन. फिर से आई विल एक्सप्लेन. ओके, सेकंड क्या होता है, चेक्स डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिटेड बाय कस्टमर्स ₹5000. डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिटेड, अभी हम बताए रीजन. डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिटेड का मतलब द कस्टमर डायरेक्टली बैंक में डाल दिया तो पासबुक बैलेंस ज्यादा हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज डिपॉजिटेड डायरेक्टली. उधर एंट्री हो जाएगा, उधर अपना बैलेंस बढ़ जाएगा. तो पासबुक विल बी शोइंग मोर एंड द कैश बुक इज गोइंग टू शो लेस व्हेन यूज. सो द गिवन बुक इन दिस प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट, passbook is showing what, more. If it is showing more, what we do, less 5000 करेंगे. देखिए 5000 checks directly deposited by customers 5000. थर्ड होएगा checks paid into bank ₹20,000 out of which ₹2,000 not cleared. इसका मतलब क्या है, checks paid into bank में हमें कोई customers दिए, some customers have given the checks to us, we have entered in the cash book in the bank column of the cash book and we have deposited into the bank. Checks we paid, but out of which 2,000 not cleared. That means out of 20,000 they have cleared 18,000 हमारे अकाउंट में डाल दिए. इधर हम 20 डाले, उधर 18 डाले. तो फर्क क्या है, 2,000 which is not clear. So cash book is showing more and the passbook is showing less. We are going from which book, cash book. Cash book is showing what, more. तो हम क्या करेंगे, less कर देंगे. देखो less. Checks issued but not presented. Sorry, ये क्या हो रहा है, I'm sorry. checks paid into bank. So cash book is showing more and passbook is showing what? Less. So we are going from which book? Passbook. Passbook is showing less. Less means what? Add करेंगे. Add क्या होगा? इधर देखो. Checks paid into bank और 20 out of which 2000 add में आ जाएगा 2000. Next. Insurance premium paid by bank 500. When the insurance premium is paid by the bank, तो bank balance घटेगा. तो passbook is showing less. उधर बैंक में निकल जाएगा पैसा. तो passbook is showing less. We are going from passbook because the passbook is showing less. We have to add 500. इधर हम add करेंगे 500. Next, interest credited in the passbook only rupees 200. क्या हुआ? Interest credited in the passbook means what? Our passbook is showing more. We are going as per passbook. Passbook is showing more means what will do less. We have interest credited in passbook 200. And bank charges debited in the passbook. Bank charges means banker हमें थोड़े services करते तो उन लोग charge करते. When they charge अपना पैसा घटेगा, हमारा balance घट जाएगा. So passbook is showing less. Someone is having doubt. Yes. Serial number D, sir. Once again. Okay. Serial number D. I will do it. Galaxy M1 देखो D में क्या हो? Checks paid into bank 20,000. When we pay into the bank, हम when you are paying क्या होता? हम डिपॉजिट कर रहे बैंक में तो कैश बुक में एंट्री हो गया 20,000. बट बैंक में हम जब ये चेक्स डाले उन लोग कलेक्ट करेंगे, कलेक्ट करके अपने अकाउंट को आर तो क्लियर करेंगे, क्लियर करके डालेंगे. बट आउट ऑफ द 2000 हैव बीन नॉट क्लियर एज ऑन 31 दिसंबर 2000 क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो मतलब उन लोग नहीं अपने अकाउंट में नहीं डालेंगे. हम 20,000 डाले, उन लोग 18,000 डाल दिए. So cash book is showing what? More and passbook is showing less by 2,000. So less means what? We will add it. ऐसा less add it करेंगे. समझ में आया तो बोलो, otherwise I'll still explain. Anyone having doubt? Fix it. Bank charges debited in the passbook. Bank charges क्या होगा? When the banker's charges हमारा balance में से थोड़ा निकल जाएगा, घटेगा balance. So passbook will be showing less and cash book will be showing more. We are going from passbook. So passbook is showing what? More. More means what will do? Less. ऐसा लेस करेंगे. देखो ये हेलो सर, हेलो हेलो सर, आई मीन చెప్పండి సార్. అవును సార్, చెప్పండి సరే. నేను వెడ్నెస్డే చేసేసి థర్స్డేకి కిందకి చేస్తాను. నాకు కొద్దిగా మెసేజ్ పెట్టేస్తారా సార్? నా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. సో దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్ ఐ చేంజ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఐ సెండ్ ఇట్. ఓకే సార్, మీరు నేను చేస్తాను సార్. ఐ థ్యాంక్ యూ. सॉरी. सो ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. अभी आप लोग ट्राई करो ये प्रॉब्लम. आई विल गिव यू 5 मिनट्स जल्दी फास्ट. इसमें क्या दिया? फ्रॉम द कैश बुक ऑफ द फर्म शोड a balance of 3,000. So balance as per cash book is given. Someone is having doubt? Yes. Shailendra, once more. Which one, Shailendra, you wanted? Once more. Shailendra, can you tell me which one I should repeat? Shailendra Kumar? Shailendra Kumar, can you tell me which one I should repeat?
So all are muted, sir.
No, he has chatted. Acha, muted. They won't open. Yeah.
Mute.
Acha, once more, the whole problem he wants me to repeat it.
Will unmute them, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll repeat it. Yeah. Shailendra, this problem I'll repeat. See, balance as per passbook दिया हुआ है. I don't know whether you want me to tell in Hindi or English. You tell me that fast, Shailendra. I'll chat with Shailendra. Okay, in English, right? Good. I'm doing. Shailendra, we have been given balance as per passbook is given. So the given book is what? Passbook. So you keep that in your mind as the passbook. When you issue the checks, the moment you issue the checks, our balance in the cash book will be reduced. When you issue the checks, our cash book will be on the payment side. We'll write by checks, by Ramarao, by Venkatrao, by. From our passbook, our cash book will be showing less. But the same person has not gone to the bank and taken the money. So when he has not gone to the bank, the passbook balance will be just like that. But in the cash book, we have reduced it. So our cash book balance is showing less and the passbook is showing more. So we are going from which book? Passbook. I told you in 2 steps you should understand. Whenever you do, If cash book is given, you have to, this is what it is. First step, balance given as per which book. In this problem, they have given you passbook. So passbook is showing what? It is showing when you issue the check, more. The passbook is showing more, less. Less what? Checks issued but not deposited by customers. The deposited the money, anything we don't have. So cash book will be showing less. So when we checked up, we found that the passbook, they have deposited more, the passbook is showing more, and the cash book is showing what? Less. So we are going from passbook. So passbook is showing more. So when it is showing more, we have to less it. Yes, we have to less it. See, checks paid into bank 20,000, out of which 2,000 not cleared. So when you are paying into the bank, some customers give the checks, all the checks are entered in the cash book. Depositing, you will enter in the cash book. So the cash book is showing more. Cash book is showing more, and 2,000 is not cleared in the bank. Out of 20,000, everything is cleared, but 2,000 is not cleared. So the passbook is showing less, and the cash book is showing more. You are going from what book? Passbook. Passbook is showing less. So what we do? We'll add 2,000 here. Next. Then insurance premium paid by bank ₹50. When insurance premium is paid by the bank, our balance in the passbook will reduce because they will pay debited. So if when it is debited, technically it is debited means they will remove from our balance 500. So our passbook balance will be showing less, and the cash book is showing what compared to passbook? Our cash book is showing more. So we are going from which book? Passbook. Passbook is showing less, so we have to add 500. See here, insurance premium paid by the bank 500. Similarly, 200. Interest credited. Credited means what? When the passbook is credited, it will become more. When the passbook is debited, it will become less. You remember this at this. In passbook debited means balance comes down. So interest credited means what? Passbook is become more. Snap is said, okay, he has understood. So passbook is showing what? Interest credited, passbook is more. When the passbook is showing more, we have to less it. Less 200. See. Here we write interest credited in passbook 200. And the last is what? Bank charges debited in the passbook only. When you debited bank charges, the passbook is showing what? Less. Bank charges means what? Our balance. I don't know, whenever it is debited, it will come down. Whenever it is credited, the balance goes up. That is technically, you should understand accounting language. Debited means passbook debited means the balance will come down. Passbook credited means balance will go up. In this case, debited means what? Bank charges, they'll take out from our balance. Our passbook will be showing less. When the passbook is showing less, we have to add. Add how much? Yeah, 200. Bank charge 300. So what you do, this 10,000, this 2, 5 balance, it will become 12,800. Then put all these three things, this will become less. So this is less, you less it. Then it will become balance as per cash book. Inner column, outer column, this is particular. Bank, this is a presentation, you should do like this. Any question is there? Please ask. Now, I'm just giving, I'll give you 5 minutes. We'll see how you do it fast. Others, any doubt is there? You ask, and bank balance of 3,000. They have given you cash book balance. The given book is what? The given book is cash book. So you should go from the cash. If the cash book is showing less, you should add it. If the cash book is showing more, you have to less it. From the following information, prepare BRS case. Okay, fine. Balance, prepare. No. First one. I'll give 2 minutes. We'll see. Anyone trying? Anyone having doubt? Yeah. Passbook balance is 13,780. But the answer I gave down, no, here it is 25,490. Just check up. Nayak, you gave me the answer as 13,780, but the answer is again. We'll wait for others. Just another 2 minutes I'll give. Let them try. Nayak, you try once again. That answer is wrong. Manish, Anil, anyone trying? Yes, anyone? Not still? 1 more minute I'll give. We'll see. Girja got the answer. Got the answer, sir. Very good. Girja has got. Okay. So someone has done it. I'll start. Dekho. Checks. No, you start with the cash book of a firm showed a balance. So balance as per cash book is given. Now you just see. Checks have been issued for 25,000, out of which checks for 2,000 only were presented. When we have issued 25,000, our cash book is less by 25,000. हमारा cash book घटेगा 25, but only 2,000 कोई जाके लिया बैंक से. तो बैंक से लेने से क्या होगा? So you would have done this mistake. So the difference is 23,000. So cash book is showing less and the passbook is showing more by 23. Cash book is showing less means we have to add 23,000. This I think you would have done 2,000. I think just check up that one mistake. Okay, next. So you understood when we issue 25,000, cash book is showing less by 25. Only 2,000 were presented. Means the remaining 23 is not presented. So passbook is showing more balance and cash book is showing less balance by 23. We should add 23,000. Now checks worth rupees 700 were deposited on 28th March. We have deposited. We are doing as on 30th. Date is very important. We are doing as on 31st March. So checks worth rupees 700 were deposited. हमने deposit किया बैंक में, but had not been credited by the bank. हम 700 deposit करें तो बैंक credit नहीं करा. तो cash book is showing what more. When the cash book is showing more, what we have to do? Less करेंगे. 700 less कर दिए. देखो इधर 700 less second का. उसी में और एक है. उसी में और एक point है. One check for rupees 250 was entered in the cash book on 30th March. But was banked. हम कोई check, कोई customer check दिया. We have entered in the cash book on 30th only, but we have not sent it to the bank. So cash book is showing more and the passbook is showing less. Less 250 करेंगे. Let's go get 250. Next. A check from Mohan for rupees 200 was paid into bank. Mohan हमें check दिया. The check was paid into bank. Before paying into the bank, we have entered in the cash book. So cash book is showing more, but that was dishonored. And that advice was received on 2nd. As on 31st March, हमें नहीं मालूम हुआ. So we thought what it would have entered, but वो dishonor हो गया. तो कम निकला रहा. So we'll add 200. देखो इधर है ठीक है. और check from 200 was paid into bank. So cash book is more. More means less, sir. Less 200. ये देखो checks paid into bank but not credited 200. हो गया. Next. Passbook showed a bank charge. Means what? Passbook will be showing less. And it also showed 400 collected as a bank as interest. So पहले 10 rupees. When the bank charges क्या होता है? Passbook will be showing less 10 rupees. So less कर दिया 10. And 400 as what? Collected as bank interest. When they have collected, हमारा passbook बढ़ेगा. So passbook will be showing more and cash book will be showing less. तो हम क्या करना? Add करना 400 कर दिया. Similarly, what next? Last है. One of the debtors means customers जो अपने को पैसा देने वाले, people who have to pay us called debtors, deposited a sum of 250 in the account of the firm. They have deposited. Intimation in this respect was received from the bank. So directly they have deposited. हमें मालूम नहीं हुआ. It's telling clearly. It was known on 2nd April. As on 31st March हमें नहीं मालूम हुआ. So passbook is showing more and cash book is showing less. So what? 23,650. It will become 26,650. This three you minus it. It will become 25,490. Any doubt? No? देखो. Now, what mistake you did? Others, you can chat with me. Is the doubt clear? Naik, okay. Yes, confirm. Good. So you understood? No. Now I am giving past. I will give you another 2 minutes. A problem के लिए. Anyone having doubt? Yes. Shalini also said yes. Good. Good going. चलो try करो. I'll give another 2 minutes. This is what the cash book of a trader showed a favorable balance. Now see, I'm just giving you an idea. In this problem, 31st October, the cash book of a trader showed a favorable, but the passbook also he gave. What he gave? Passbook also. They have given you passbook balance. Passbook balance again. Passbook, you should get this answer. Balance as per passbook, this answer you should get. If you start with passbook, you should get the balance as per cash book. Answer either here. You can start with any book with this balance and with this. If you start with passbook, start with anything. Oppo A53, use your phone, please. Sopto, can you close your mic, please? Again, Girija got the answer. Very good. Girija is being very fast. Good. Yep. Yeah. Girija got the answer. Prabhakaran got 37375. Okay. No, that is not the answer. No, Prabhakar. Prabhakar, you should start with cash book 3600. You should get 3850. If you start with 3850, you should get 3600. You have the answer here only. That's not the answer. You try once again. There's a difference. If you start with cash book, you should get passbook. Yes. Sarla Sinha got it. Very good. 3850. Good. Started with cash book, ended with passbook. Very good. Few of them already done. So I'll not waste much time. I will help others. Just listen. We started with what book? Cash book. So I also started with cash book 3600. When you start with cash book, our answer is what? 3850. Therefore, we got it as per passbook. We got it. Someone said yes. Who's this? Jayalakshmi also got the answer. Very good. Good, Jayalakshmi. So balance as per what they gave. Balance as per cash book is given. Good. We'll start with the past. Then the due. Rupees 75 was created in the passbooks. Is collected by the bank. So passbook is more than cash book is showing here. 75 we have added here. If someone else got. Shalini also got 3850. Very good, Shalini. Very nice. The next, who else? Nayak also got. Very good. Now everyone is getting. See, you got the hang of it. Very 3 steps only, all of you. Is it balance as per cash book or passbook? No, we have to add it. If it is showing more, you minus it. Next is what? I'm doing. Sorry, where we here? He says, the debit of 12 rupees 55 for bank charges appeared twice in the passbook, but no entry. This is where someone would have they would have done wrong. 12 rupees 50 bank charges. Debit means what? They have listed. Bank charges twice. 55 rupees in the passbook, it is showing less, but nothing in the cash book. So cash book is showing what? More, and the passbook not less 25. See, we have done less 25. Next is what? Mr. Govind deposited a check of 250 directly into firm's bank account, for which there is no entry. We have been doing it. This is the third problem. We are doing the same type in a different way. Checks directly deposited means passbook is showing more and cash book is showing less 50. We'll add 250. See, we have added here. Then the next is what? A check of rupees 50 received from Mr. Gopal and deposited in bank was returned dishonored. See, this is carefully understand. Check of rupees 50 received from Mr. Gopal, we have deposited. When we deposited, cash book is showing more, we have entered, but it is written dishonored. So passbook mein nahi hua entry. So passbook is showing less and cash book is showing more. So we are going from cash book is showing more. So what we do, we less it 50. So 250 plus 35, 325 add karo and 50 plus 25 less karo, you'll get 3,850. Anyone? Okay, good. So fast. Another 2 minutes I'm giving. I've given the answer here. Who will do it? Fast. Yes. Anyone? Girja, Shalini, Naik. Sarla Sinha, very good. Sarla Sinha got it. Nayak got it. Good. So happy. Girja also got it. Good going. If the concept is clear hoga, you can do any problem in 3 steps I taught. Okay. Did I do this problem? Yes, I've done it. So From the following prepare BRS, bank balance as per cash book on 31st December is again 15,000. Again put it balance as per cash book. So we are going as per what book? Cash book. Either cash issued but not cash prior to. Prior means before 31st December. We have issued, when we issued cash book issuing less, we have to add 2,000. The code at 2,000 we have added it. Next. This is a checks paid into bank. When you are paying to the bank, cash book issuing what? More. When you are cash book issuing more, we are going from cash book issuing more, we have to less 2,800. We have got 2,800, we have less. Next is what? A check of 1,200 which was received from a customer. Customers के पास से आया, we got it, was entered in the bank on the cash book. Normally we enter it in December only, but the same was paid into bank January. We are doing as on 31st. हम enter करके भिजाना है, हम नहीं भिजाए, we have not sent it. So cash book issuing what? More. When we are going from cash book issuing more, passbook में entry नहीं है because as on 31st December हमने भिजाया नहीं, we have not sent it. So cash book issuing what? More, which was received from a customer was entered in the bank of us. So 1,200 we have not sent. Then next. Interest on investments collected by the bankers and credit book issuing what? More interest. It issuing less means what? We'll add 800. Okay. Next, bank charges 20 debited in the passbook. The passbook issuing less and the cash book issuing more. And the cash book issuing more, we have to less it. Most simple problem, you should have done it, all of you. Okay. So ये add करके डालो हो गया. This is. चलो fast this problem. This. I'm giving only 1 minute. Practice fast. Okay, I'll give 2 minutes. Jaldi. Charlie got it. Prabhakar 25, 4,070. Very good. Everyone is getting it. Right. Starla, what happened?
नहीं वसा कर
करो करो ये कर रहा जल्दी करो. डॉट है तो पूछ लेना. जयलक्ष्मी also got it. मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स आप सब प्रैक्टिस करें तो मोर देन सफिशिएंट. यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग. नाइट गॉट इट. वेरी गुड. चलो सरला जल्दी. आई एम डिसाइडिंग. Well, I see someone gave 22,770. Someone gave Ajay got it. Somsekhar got it. 22,720 कौन दिया है? Sarla got it. A. Galaxy M11 22770, I do not know. Anyway, we'll start. Okay, everyone got? किसी को डाउट है तो देखते हैं. Did I do this problem? हमने नहीं किया. Okay. देखो, all of you try checks amounting to 5,000 were deposited into bank, but only checks are not cleared. So calculation what we are doing as per what the passbook. We should. This is important point. Checks amount 5 were deposited. So calbook is showing more, passbook is showing less. Only 2,000 were cleared. 3,000 is not cleared. So passbook is less. Passbook is less. Add 3,000 crore. You should add 3,000. Okay. Then next, checks amounting to rupees 7,500 were issued, of which 2,500 had not been presented. So we have issued when issue calbook is showing less, and 2,400 is not been presented. So this is only the difference. 2,400 is lena. So 2,400 is passbook issuing more. So we have to less 2,400. In the passbook, there was a credit of 150 per interest. So passbook issuing more. So 150 less karna. There was a debit of 20. So passbook issuing less. Add karna 20. Just 1 minute bhi nahi hota. Utna easy hai. Fast. This is the last problem. Then we'll do start OD. If you're comfortable, I'll start the next opposite of this is OD. Jaldi. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Yes. Anyone finished?
सर बी में कोई फिगर नहीं दिख रहा है.
B में
What customer directly deposited into bank?
correct ना? Sorry, miss हो गया. I don't know how much I typing miss हो गया. मैं देखा भी नहीं. One customer directly deposited in the bank, but no entry is made. I know. Sorry. देखते हैं. You just किधर आएगा? Suppose customer directly deposited, passbook will be.
उसको छोड़ देते हैं सर.
हाँ छोड़ दो, but that concept खाली figure का problem होता. ठीक है, रहने दो. So ये problem छोड़ दो because I didn't see. I'll check up. अच्छा अभी try this one. इसका आंसर तो नहीं दिया ना मैं. चलो let's start the OD. All of you are ready for the OD? OD का मतलब क्या है? It is the same like ordinary, same concept. Which book is given? You check. Overdraft transfer. Which book is given in this problem? Same thing. अब जैसा मैं पढ़ा वही same. Given book is what? Cash book. You take the cash book balance. Okay, same OD as per cash book लिखना. Just remember, if in the ordinary when you issue the checks books, when you issue the checks, cash book will show less. In the OD, cash book will show more. मतलब क्या है? We have to pay to the OD means what? We have taken money from the bank. We have drawn money. We have to pay to the bank. Already we have to pay some amount. अभी checks issue करे तो क्या होता? ये चेक जो इशू करे वो जाके बंदा फिर बैंक से लेगा. तो cash book will show what? More. In the ordinary, when you issue the checks, cash book will show lesser. In this OD, the cash book will show more balance. Okay, am I clear with this? All are clear? Cash book will show Am I clear? Yes, good. Done. So in the ordinary क्या होता? No, as per cash book we are going OD as per cash book. So cash book is showing what? We'll see. Where out of the total amounting 10,000 drawn, only checks segregating 3,000 were encashed. So when you checks amounting drawn बोल तो issued. Please remember English में checks issued, checks drawn, checks given बोले तो same. Checks drawn means we have issued the checks. So cash book घटेगा. In ordinary, in the OD, cash book बढ़ेगा because already we have to pay to the bank. अभी checks issue करे तो वो customers जाके लेंगे हमारे जो भी है. So cash book will be showing more. Only checks of 3,000 were encashed. So bank में 3,000 ही लिए. So OD in the passbook is only increased by 3. In the passbook it is increased by 10. The difference is what? 7,000. So cash book OD is more. We are going from cash book. Cash book see less 7,000. Checks drawn but not encashed is 7,000. Ordinary का opposite हो जाएगा OD. Next is what? Deposited. Checks segregating 1,500 were created in March. क्या बोलेंगे? Out of checks amounting to, yes, someone is having doubt. Done. Sarla got it. Good. इसमें क्या बोलते? Out of the total checks amounting to rupees 5,000 deposited. When we have deposited, क्या करेंगे हम? Cash book में entry करेंगे. So when you are depositing checks, no, in ordinary when you deposit, cash book is less, and 1,500 were created in March. So out of 5,000, only 1,500 is created. 3,500 is not created in the passbook. तो passbook में OD ज्यादा है, cash book में कम है. So we are going from which book? Cash book. Cash book is showing less. We have to add 3,500. Add 3,500. देखो आ गया इधर. Checks deposited 3,500. Next. Next is what? The bank has debited rupees 500 on account of what? Interest on overdraft. The bank has debited 500 on account of interest on OD. So interest on OD we have to pay. हम बैंक को देना है. So already OD है. Debited बोलते इंटरेस्ट ऑन ओडी बोलते क्या करते हैं? बैलेंस इन द ओडी विल इंक्रीज. तो पासबुक में ज्यादा हो गया एंड कैश बुक में कम हो गया. एंड बैंक चार्जेस आल्सो दे आर चार्जिंग. अगेन ओडी पासबुक में बढ़ेगा, कैश बुक में कम होगा. सो कैश बुक वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम कैश बुक. सो कैश बुक इज शोइंग लेस. तो लेस बोलते वी हैव टू ऐड 500 and 100. ऐड व्हाट? ये देखो 500 and 100, 600 ऐड कर देना. नेक्स्ट, the bank has created rupees 800 on account of interest collected on securities. The bank has what? Created rupees 800 on account of what? Interest collected on securities. Bank has created. So OD in the passbook is what? Showing less. Passbook is less and cash book is more. We are going from which book? Cash book. Cash book में क्या होता है? OD ज्यादा है, passbook में OD कम हो गया because the bank has created. तो created means OD कम हो गया पासबुक में, कैश बुक में बढ़ के. तो we are going from cash book. Cash book is showing more. So what you have to do? Less 800. देखो ये भी होगा. Next, a bill receivable for rupees 1,000 discounted with the bank. Now all of you should understand ये bills of exchange का chapter थोड़ा background मालूम रहे तो अच्छा. Bill receivable, suppose we have sold some goods to some customer. वो customer हमें पैसा देना है. Instead of giving money, he will give a bill. We will draw a bill on him. He will give the bill. वो bill हमें पास रहता. We'll get on the due date money. Before the due date हम बैंक को जाके discount करते, मतलब we take the money, thinking that this bill will be honored by him and he'll pay to the bank on the due date. So we have already discounted and took the money, but it is dishonored. Dishonored means what? That fellow is not paid to the bank. So बैंक में OD बढ़ जाएगा. So passbook OD is more and cash book में OD कम है. You're going from cash book. OD is less in the cash book. Less means what we do? We add 1,000 rupees. Add बस. ये 4,000, 5,100 add करो and 7,800 minus करो. अब ये minus figure आए तो we started with OD. Whenever we get a add and less correct, so if we get the opposite figure, we started with OD, and if you get minus figure, that will become ulta. Balance as per passbook हो जाएगा. This is another important point I want you to understand. Balance as per passbook. Any questions, please? On this problem, OD का बोलो. I'll explain.
सर ये बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक माइनस फिगर सर क्या इंडिकेट करता है सर?
इंडिकेट का मतलब हमारा पैसा अभी उल्टा हो गया. पहले ओडी था, अभी बैलेंस हो गया पासबुक. कौन पूछ रहा है? ये गैलेक्सी में देखो, मैं आपको मैं 10,000 देना है, आपको मैं 12,000 दे दिया, तो अब उल्टा आप मेरे को देना है 2,000. ऐसा हो सकता है. इनिशियली अपना ओडी, अपना कैश बुक में ओडी है, ओडी से स्टार्ट करे, एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ अपना बैलेंस हो गया, पैसा ज्यादा आ गया बैंक में. सरला
अच्छा,
क्लियर।
यदि सर ये प्लस फिगर रहता तो सर,
सॉरी, ये
अगर ये सर पासबुक बैलेंस प्लस फिगर रहता सर,
वही
प्लस 7
प्लस रहता तो देन इट विल बिकम बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक, देन इट विल बिकम ओवरड्राफ्ट एज पर पासबुक। वी स्टार्टेड विद कैश बुक, फिर ये माइनस करके आए तो इट विल बी ओवरड्राफ्ट एज पर पासबुक, बिकॉज ये माइनस आने से बैलेंस हो गया।
यस सर।
अगर इधर 7,000 के 100 के बाजू में 8,000 होगा, 8,000 minus 7,800, 200 will be OD as per passbook. वैसा होगा।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
Anyone still having any doubt, please don't hesitate. अभी ये ट्राई करो फास्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई दिस। इसका आंसर देखते हैं। I'll give 2 minutes. Let's see. Sarla, anyone getting? Good. Sarla got 19,000. Answer? 1 minute. Sarla got 19,000. We'll check up the answer. Very good, Sarla. Fantastic. Good. Very good. I'm very happy. Galaxy, तुम ट्राई करे। Manish Pravakar, Naik, others are not. Some people are not at all giving. Very good. Sarla got it. Others.
सर परीक्षा में इतना इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं आता सर, इससे और कठिन आता है।
कौन बोल रहा है?
मैं सरला बोली सर।
कौन बोला सरला? आप सेट कर रहे पेपर?
नहीं सर, हमेशा एग्जाम, इसके पहले 2-3 बार एग्जाम दी हूँ सर।
नहीं बीजा, आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर बीजा, तुम्हारा कॉन्सेप्ट आ गए तो कैसा प्रॉब्लम रहता भी आप कर सकते
सर। बहुत कंफ्यूज उसमें रहता है।
मेरे को
वो
बीजा,
डबल
मैं देख के एक बार एक बोलो, एक बीजा मेरे को।
जस्ट वेट, एक मिनट अभी, जस्ट एक मिनट लिखती हूँ।
देखो सबको 19,000 गुड।
क्वेश्चन
एक ट्रांजैक्शन बोलो। कल मेरे को कोई भिजाया था क्वेश्चन, वो भी इजी था, एग्जाम का पेपर में करके भिजाया, वो यू कुड डू इट, आई करेक्टेड एंड सेंट हिम। आप लोगों के पास मेरा नंबर है ना? कौन सा भी प्रॉब्लम डाउट रहे तो मेरे को भिजा देना। कल समवन हैज सेंट मी सम क्वेश्चन, आई डोंट नो हिज नेम, अभी क्लास में है नहीं है नहीं मालूम। एक मिनट देखता, इज फ्रॉम विच रेलवे। हाँ He is from ECOR. ECOR. Is he there? Nayak is there, no? Nayak has
Yes,
sent
sir.
me. Nayak
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Nayak, you sent me, no? Morning में आपने BRS का भेजा, you did correctly, very happy. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you said undercast, overcast.
सर इसको सेंड कैसे करूं?
I don't know that Nageshwar Rao should help me. Nageshwar Rao. Nageshwar Rao.
Sir, tell me, sir.
That one of the candidate wants to share one problem, it seems. She wants me to do that problem. Share the phone number, it is said. So I.
सर को व्हाट्सएप कर दूं नागेश्वर
हाँ
सर?
कर दो. ये देखो मेरा नंबर ये है 9866003883 मेरा नंबर है
9896
9866003883.
Otherwise, please message in the chat box, sir. They'll note down.
Okay, I've sent it to everyone.
Please select everyone.
अच्छा, I sent to manager. Select. Okay.
Select everyone.
Select everyone. Everyone in the meeting. Okay.
Now please message.
Okay. 9866003882. Now I am sending to all of you. You'll have my number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it is. You can.
You share that question. I will do it for you all.
Okay.
Sir? Yes, sir. I don't know. I'm in the class. I'm in the class, sir. Sorry. Okay. Right. Yes. Sorry. Vijay, I'll just see if every. So 19,000, if you have got it, good. So Sarla said it's very easy. Or a problem I have given, we'll see how we'll do. Try karo before answer.
सर मैं नागेश्वर सर को कर दी हूं, उनको बोलिए आपको सेंड कर देंगे कैसे?
नागेश्वर गारू. Nageswar garu.
Sir, tell me, sir.
They have sent it to you, it seems. Can you send it the problem to me?
Yeah. Right now, sir.
Yeah, I will discuss it.
Yeah. Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. It is. Sarla ji has sent one.
Yes. She wants.
Please check, sir.
No, I still didn't get.
1 minute, sir. It is. Yeah. Now, please check.
Yes, it has come. Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, it has come. Dekho. The following is summary of the cash book of December. Cash book bank column. Receipt side, balance carried on, by bank brought down OD, payment side. Okay. All receipts are banked and payments are made by checks on invoice. The following are observed. Okay, good. Bank charges of 1,224 entered in the bank statement have not been entered in the cash book. ये समझ में आ रहा आपको? सरला?
सर मुझको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसमें असल में। ये क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार से पिछले साल का है ये सर क्वेश्चन।
ऐसा ये
सर अमेंडेड केस बुक कुछ होता है सर वो है।
एग्जैक्टली।
तो सर वही मैं बोली इतना इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं आता सर, इतना कठिन क्वेश्चन आता है ये हमसे नहीं बनता है सर, इसको हमको प्रैक्टिस जरूरत है सर।
मैं करता है प्रॉब्लम नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको मैं अमेंडेड कैश बहुत इजी है सरला जी।
जी सर
बहुत इजी है, उसको थोड़ा टेक्निकली उसको अमेंडेड कैश बुक बोलते हैं। देयर आर सर्टेन ट्रांजैक्शंस कैश बुक में जो है नहीं आए उसको अमेंड करके यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक करके देन वी हैव टू डू द रिकंसिलिएशन बस। Okay, I'll teach you that. No
सर
issue.
नेक्स्ट क्लास में कर दीजिएगा सर, इसको समझा
Next
दीजिएगा.
class में कर. I'll do it. I got the problem. No, I'll teach.
Okay, sir.
Nageshwara garu. Nageshwara garu.
Sir, tell me, sir.
I think I have to do, because this type of question they have amended cash book also. I think I have not touched. I have done ordinary. I have done OD. I have to do amended cash book for them.
Sir.
So I need one more session whenever
Yeah,
you can.
we'll plan, sir. We'll plan.
Will plan. Okay.
Yeah, we'll plan.
Sarla ji.
Up to
Sarla ji.
March
Sir.
11th.
हम करेंगे. आपको
Yes, sir.
आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है तो भिजा देना मेरे लिए, मेरे को भिजाओ या तो नागेश्वर
sir.
सर को भिजा देना. I will do it
Okay.
in my next class.
सर एक तो रिसिप्ट पेमेंट का क्वेश्चन भी सर वो भी नहीं बनता है सर, उसको भी
मैं
प्लीज समझा
करता.
दीजिए.
एनी स्टैंडर्ड आई टीच यू, डोंट वरी. अभी मैं
Okay,
जितना
sir.
पढ़ा रहा आपको समझ में आ रहा ना मेरा
हाँ
टीचिंग.
नहीं, इसके ये तो ये बन जाता BRS सर, इसके आगे
हाँ.
ये जो थोड़ा सा अमेंडेड कैश बुक है और
हाँ.
ये रिसिप्ट पेमेंट अकाउंट सर, ये सब
वो
नहीं बनते हैं सर.
वो हम करेंगे. रिसिप्ट्स एंड पेमेंट्स का चैप्टर हम बाद में पढ़ाएंगे. पहले
Okay,
ये
sir.
खत्म. नेक्स्ट वीक में आई विल ट्राई टू फिनिश दिस. शायद
sir.
नेक्स्ट वीक हो सका तो ये वीक में. अच्छा नेक्स्ट वीक मेरे को दूसरे क्लासेस है, बट वन क्लास तो नेक्स्ट वीक आई टेक. कमिंग वीक आई ट्राई टू टेक 2 classes and try to
Yes.
finish. Okay,
Okay.
don't worry.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'll do it. Right. Any other doubts anyone having, please? Very good. Stanley also got it. Everyone. So this much standard you are getting, you will get. Good. सरला जी ये बार एग्जाम लिख रहे हैं ना, ओल्ड पैटर्न में लिखना है ये बार. लास्ट एग्जाम है
सर, मेरा नहीं है सर, उसमें मेरे को न्यू
नहीं है?
पैटर्न में देना है सर.
अच्छा न्यू पैटर्न में तो अकाउंटेंसी तो रहेगा, ऐसी रहेगा. पता नहीं फिर वो अभी शेड्यूल नहीं आया, वो नागेश्वर सर शेयर करेंगे बोल के. बाकी के सब सब्जेक्ट्स आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप हो जाएंगे. एडवांस कमर्शियल बुक कीपिंग विल बी सब्जेक्टिव ओनली. बट अभी कितना मार्क्स के लिए रहेगा वो पता नहीं हुआ.
सर थोड़ा इजी देगा तो ओके, लेकिन इतना टफ वाला दे देगा तो हम लोग
नहीं टफ नहीं होगा, इजी हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. फाइनल अकाउंट से एक आ जाएगा कंपल्सरी.
फाइनल अकाउंट बन जाएगा. BRS ऐसे सिंपल आएगा तो ओके सर, लेकिन वो अमेंडेड कैश बुक वगैरह हमसे नहीं बनता सर.
अरे सरला जी, हम आपको अमेंडेड कैश बुक नहीं पढ़ाए ना.
यस सर.
अगर हम पढ़ाते तो तुम इससे और इजी कर देते उसको.
ओके सर.
हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. अगर हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे ना तो आप 60 से अब ये प्रॉब्लम कैसा कर रहे हो वो भी कर देंगे. बिकॉज आई डिडंट टीच यू अमेंडेड कैश बुक. आई टू डिडंट सी दैट. आप भिजाने के बाद मैं देखा अमेंडेड कैश बुक.
सर वो डेप्रिसिएशन का भी क्वेश्चन कुछ आते सर, उसको भी प्लीज.
हाँ, आप एक काम करो ना, मेरे को जो आपको डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, मेरा नंबर अभी है ना आपके पास, मेरे को भिजाओ या तो नागेश्वर को भिजाओ. दोनों मेरे को भिजा दे देते. अभी भिजा है ना, आई विल सी इट एंड डू इट. नो इश्यूज. anything you have doubt, any standard I can teach you. Any problem, not an issue at all.
Okay, thanks sir.
आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा पढ़ा देंगे. इंग्लिश में पढ़ा देंगे, हिंदी में पढ़ा देंगे, उर्दू में पढ़ा देंगे, तमिल में पढ़ा देंगे. No problem. I'll teach you. Not an issue.
Okay, sir.
I'll be happy only if you all will learn. Okay. Nayak, thank you. He said, no issue, Nayak. Anytime you have doubt, like Nayak, keep sending. थोड़े लोग मेरे को क्वेश्चन करके भेजाते, आई विल आंसर देम. इफ नॉट इमीडिएटली, अभी क्लास ले रहा ना, क्लास के बाद आपको आंसर करता. बट आई विल कीप आंसरिंग. यू डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग मी. एनी
सर हम लोग को आंसर नहीं चाहिए सर, हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस चाहिए और कैसे करना है वो जानना है सर.
हाँ, मैं कर नहीं, अगर नहीं कोई विजय मेरे को प्रॉब्लम करके ही वाज आस्किंग मी वेदर द आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट, मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसको बोल रहा था. जो भी आपको चाहिए सरला जी हम खत्म करेंगे. आपको सब्जेक्ट चाहिए सब्जेक्ट, प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम, एक्सप्लेनेशन जो चाहे हम कर दें. नॉट इश्यू. एनी क्वेश्चंस एनीवन हैविंग? Till ये तो आ गया. So good. I'm happy that at least till now you have understood all of you. Good. Nageshwara garu,
Sir,
I'm done with this. While calls in, they will send it to you. You please share it with me. I will clear their doubts. Okay.
any queries, participant?
I think I
Yeah,
cleared
already I
it.
shared that PPT in the chat box, sir.
Yeah.
Please download the PPT. And again, I'll share in the WhatsApp groups also.
Okay, so if there are no further doubts, then we'll wind up the session.
Yeah. Yes.
On behalf
Sir,
of IRIFM, I
sir.
thank Shri.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, checks paid means क्या checks drawn. Sir,
Checks-
यहाँ जो
हाँ.
ई नंबर पर में checks paid into
हाँ.
this is in checks drawn.
Checks paid into bank means checks deposited. Checks
हाँ.
issued बोलते, checks drawn बोलते permanent.
Sir, deposited. Paid means
हाँ.
deposited. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
On behalf of IRIFM Secunderabad, I thank Shri Vijay Kumar sir for taking up the session on bank reconciliation statement and all, clarifying many of the doubts. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Tomorrow we have session at 3 p.m. Okay, please log in by 3 p.m. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.